What I'm going to show you today is how to change this front sprocket without any special tools and without ruining your transmission. What you don't want to do is just put it in gear and use your transmission to bind everything up. So we're going to show you several alternatives depending on the bike that you have to get this front sprocket loose and retightened, again without any special tools. So we're going to be loosening it, so it's going to be turning counterclockwise. It sounds silly, but the best way to keep your tire from rotating is by literally jamming something in between the swing arm and your tire. And that's going to prevent the tire from rotating, which is what we need to keep the gear from rotating. Bam, easy peasy. So now I can remove this, and you can see I'm still in neutral. So in order to tighten the sprocket, what I'm going to do is step on the rear brake and put the torque wrench on top, and I'll be able to tighten it this way. All right, fam, have a good night.